Welcome to today's tutorial on how to delete multiple messages on Instagram. Deleting messages on Instagram can sometimes be a hassle, especially if you want to delete more than one at a time. But fear not, we are here to guide you through the process step by step. To start, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap the messenger icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your direct message inbox. Next, open the conversation that contains the messages you want to delete. Once you're in the conversation, tap and hold on a message until the message is selected. A menu will appear at the bottom of the screen, where you'll see the option to Unsend. Tap on Unsend to delete the selected message. Repeat these steps for each message you want to delete. It may take a bit of time if you have multiple messages to delete, but it's the only way to delete multiple messages on Instagram at the moment. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete multiple messages on Instagram. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.